Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Did you bake my green onion oil? If you have or you still have leftover like I have, today we're going to make another dish, steamed tofu with green onion oil. Tofu in Chinese is?
Tofu.
Tofu. Yeah, very close to tofu. Let me show you the ingredients. I have 1 pack of soft tofu. You can also use firm tofu. Here's my leftover green onion oil and chopped green onions, minced garlic, and light soy sauce. So let me cut the tofu into slices. So I'm going to just cut the tofu into half, like this, and then slice it. Not too thin, it's about 1/4 inch. Now we're going to plate it like this. And I just add the minced garlic. And white part of green onions. And we're ready to steam. The water is boiling. Let me place my steamer and cover it. We cook about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our tofu is ready. Make sure you remove the liquid. Now let's make our sauce. Very simple. Green onion oil. Should be good. And light soy sauce. Mix well. And we can garnish with some green onions. A bit more. Pour the sauce over. And our tofu is ready. Ready to try?
Ready.
Enjoy.
Wow.
The oil is so good, right?
The oil is incredible.
Aromatic. Such a simple dish. No sweat cooking, right?
Really?
Steaming it, or you can even boil it.
Wow, that's good.
Good, right? Great side dish. I'm going to list the link below for how to make the green onion oil, my other video. Please leave me a comment below if you ever made the tofu like this, or if you're gonna try it. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.